Imagine a world where the woolly mammoth roams the Siberian tundra once more. Or picture the dodo, no longer a symbol of extinction, but a living, breathing bird. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that science is rapidly advancing towards making these dreams, or nightmares, a reality? Welcome to the fascinating, and often ethically complex, world of de-extinction. We're talking about the possibility of resurrecting extinct animals using ancient DNA. It's a field brimming with groundbreaking science, incredible potential, and a whole lot of questions. In this video, we'll dive deep into the science behind de-extinction, how ancient DNA is recovered, the techniques used to piece it back together, and the challenges scientists face in bringing these long-lost creatures back to life. But it's not just about the how. We'll also tackle the big ethical questions. Should we bring back extinct animals? What are the potential benefits and risks for the environment and for humanity? Get ready to explore the blueprint of life and ponder the profound implications of rewriting its history. Let's rewind the clock and trace the fascinating history that's led us to even consider recreating extinct animals. It's not just a modern-day flight of fancy. This ambition has roots in decades of scientific discovery. Our story really kicks off in the 1950s with the groundbreaking discovery of the structure of DNA by James Watson and Francis Crick. This unlocked the fundamental code of life itself, giving scientists a new lens through which to view and understand biological processes. The next major leap came in the 1980s. Scientists, including Alan Wilson, began successfully extracting and analyzing ancient DNA from preserved specimens. This opened up the tantalizing possibility of peering into the genetic makeup of creatures long gone. Think of it as reading a very, very old instruction manual. Then came Jurassic Park in 1993. While fictional, Spielberg's blockbuster ignited the public's imagination and brought the concept of de-extinction into the mainstream. Suddenly, the idea wasn't just confined to labs and scientific journals, but debated around water coolers and dinner tables. As the 21st century dawned, advancements in DNA sequencing technology accelerated exponentially. The Human Genome Project showed us the power of mapping entire genomes. This paved the way for understanding the complete genetic blueprints of other organisms, living and, well, potentially not so living. And finally, we arrive at the present day, with breakthroughs in cloning technology, gene editing tools like CRISPR, and computational biology. These advances have provided us with the tools, or at least the theoretical possibility, to not just read the ancient blueprint, but to potentially rewrite it and bring those extinct species back to life. It's a long and complex journey, but each of these steps has been crucial in bringing us to where we are today. Okay, so where does this whole de-extinction concept stand today? It's not just a pie-in-the-sky dream anymore. Ancient DNA research, driven by the de-extinction debate, is revolutionizing fields far beyond bringing back the mammoth. Think about conservation. By studying the genomes of extinct animals, we're gaining incredible insights into genetic diversity, disease resistance, and adaptation to changing environments. This knowledge is invaluable for protecting endangered species today. For example, understanding why certain Tasmanian devil populations are resistant to transmissible cancer is directly informed by comparative genomics with their extinct relatives. Beyond conservation, ancient DNA research is rewriting our understanding of evolution and migration. We're piecing together the family trees of species, tracking their movements across continents and through time, and gaining a richer understanding of how life on Earth evolved. The discovery of new human ancestors, and the interbreeding between different hominin species, wouldn't be possible without advancements in extracting and analyzing ancient DNA. And let's not forget the potential for medical breakthroughs. Studying the unique genetic adaptations of extinct animals, like the woolly mammoth's cold-resistant blood, could lead to new therapies and treatments for human diseases. Imagine learning how to prevent frostbite from an animal that thrived in sub-zero temperatures for millennia. Of course, the societal impact extends beyond scientific advancements. The very idea of de-extinction sparks conversations, crucial conversations, about our responsibility to the environment, the ethics of manipulating life, and the potential consequences, both positive and negative, of playing God. Are we ready to manage the ecosystems these resurrected animals might inhabit? Are we prepared for the ethical dilemmas that arise from bringing back something that's been gone for thousands of years? These are questions we need to be asking ourselves now, as the science continues to advance. So, let's recap. We've seen that bringing back extinct animals from ancient DNA is a hugely complex undertaking. We're talking about everything from finding viable DNA fragments, piecing them together, and then figuring out how to gestate a creature that hasn't walked the Earth in potentially thousands of years. The science is advancing rapidly, no doubt about it. But we've also highlighted the ethical minefield that de-extinction presents. Questions of conservation, animal welfare, and even the potential disruption of existing ecosystems are all major considerations. It's not just about can we, but should we? Looking ahead, it's likely we'll see continued progress in ancient DNA sequencing and gene editing. Perhaps we'll even witness a successful de-extinction attempt in our lifetimes. But let's hope that any such endeavor is approached with caution, foresight, and a deep respect for both the natural world and the potential consequences of our actions. If you found this deep dive into de-extinction fascinating, then hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the cutting edge of science and its ethical implications. We've got plenty more thought-provoking topics coming your way.